Hi everyone, my name is Grzegorz Reizer and I'm a cloud solution architect and member of the EMEA OCI specialist team. Our team supports customers migrating their Oracle applications to OCI. In this video, I will demonstrate the full process of setting up full stack disaster recovery, FSDR, for Hyperion EPM system workloads on OCI. First, let's take a look at the overview of the Hyperion FSDR solution on OCI. The solution is based on the reference Hyperion DR architecture, which is available in Oracle Architecture Center. The primary and standby topologies in this architecture are symmetric. This means that both the topologies provide identical compute and storage capacity. If the primary topology is unavailable for any reason, you can recover the application in the remote region. When the standby system is not in use, the application layer computes are not running, which allows us to optimize the cost of this disaster recovery solution. In our FSDR example, we use a simplified version of the reference architecture. It consists of two networks in two OCI regions. London, UK South is the primary region, and Newport, UK West is the standby region. In this architecture, traffic from on-premises users flows through IPsec VPN tunnels or fast connect virtual circuits to the dynamic routing gateway, DRG, that's attached to the VCN. A private load balancer intercepts the requests and distributes them to the private web and application tier. All the compute instances in the application tier are attached to a private subnet. This isolation at the network level shields the application from unauthorized network access and other resources in the topology. The service gateway enables the private compute instances in the application tier to access the update service within the region to obtain operating system updates and additional packages. Furthermore, the service gateway allows you to back up the applications to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, object storage within the region without traversing the public internet. At the database tier, we are using base database cloud service hosts, which contain EPM system schemas. Data is synchronized to the standby region using Oracle Data Guard. Thank you for watching.